Ben Maller, for those that don't know, turned $4,000 cash into a $250 million real estate portfolio. Graham Stephan interviews Ben at his new Miami home to find out how Ben amassed a real estate fortune of $250 million US. In the interview, Ben outlined his first deal, an old beat-up duplex in New York. From Ben's example, we all can learn how to exponentially grow our own real estate portfolio. Hi, this is Andrew. Let's learn how to make our own $250 million portfolio. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I need to explain that I'm not a certified financial advisor. Neither is my business a certified FCA activity. This video is not advice, legal advice, nor financial advice, but for entertainment purposes only. Yes, this is how we operate our business, but it may not be suitable for you. All investments put your capital at risk. The value of your investments may go up as well as down. Past performance does not guarantee future performance. As always, I implore you to do your own research, DD due diligence, and get your own independent and legal advice. Ben has a $250 million portfolio, but like most of us, he started out with nothing. So we all need to start from somewhere. Here are the details of Ben's first project at the end of the 80s. Stage 1. Create. He created the project, by which I mean that he found a dilapidated duplex with 2 3-bedroomed apartments that he refurbished nicely. When they were finished, he rented them out to 2 low-income families. Ben invested $4,000 of his own capital to start this project. Stage 2. Construct. He bought the house with finance from the bank for $27,500. He spent $7,000 on refurbishments like painting and replacing the carpeting. He didn't buy new carpets, but quality used ones. He borrowed $7,000 as Stage 2 development finance. He spent $35,000 for the total Stage 2 cost. Stage 3. Complete. Now that the building is complete, he shares with us how he made 2 profits. Profit 1. Refinance. Of the completed duplex of 2 apartments had a GDV of $150,000. He got a 66% LTV interest-only mortgage of $100,000 from the bank. LTV means loan-to-value ratio, so he got 66% of the $150,000 valuation of his duplex. After paying back the Stage 2 costs of $35,000, that left Ben with a cash profit of $65,000. To repeat, he started out with $4,000 cash in the bank, and now he has already grown that to $65,000 in the bank. That's an ROI, return of investment, of an impressive 1,625% from his initial $4K. Profit 1 refinance is how we exponentially grow our portfolios. Profit 2, net rental income. He then rented out each unit for $800 per calendar month, for a total of $1,600 per calendar month. Assuming he paid 5.5 interest on his mortgage, he needs to pay the bank about $460 per month, giving Ben a net monthly income of about $1,140, giving Ben a net rental income of about $13,700 per year. That's an ROI of 343% from his initial $4K. To sum up, Ben started with $4,000 in the bank and in a few months has grown that to $65,000 with an additional net income of over $1,100 per month. Ben then reinvested this money into his next projects to exponentially grow his portfolio. Even though this project was 40 years ago, and Ben's memory of the numbers is a little fuzzy, it's very easy to see how we can build an exponential growing portfolio following his example. Whenever you see or hear about someone with 10, 100, or 5,000 houses, now you know how they achieved their spectacular portfolio, even if they only started with as little as $4,000. From Ben's example, you can clearly see how large profits and an extensive portfolio can be built from very modest and humble beginnings. If you watch the interview carefully, you'll hear him often say, "Of course, you need to get out there and do the work." Making money from real estate is possible, but not easy. We need to go out there and do the work. The link to Ben's enlightening interview with Graham Stephan can be found in the description. Thanks for the view, and if you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more info on real estate investing, check out our other videos. Links in the description. What else could you do to grow your portfolio more quickly? Share in the comments.